Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 90. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take here extrude command and take a extrude of 5 mm. Okay, so this will be a single direction extrude and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the arc command. This time we are going to take the center point arc. Select the center point and make the arc. Okay, now go to dimension. Define this radius as 50 mm. Now go to line command and make a joining profile. Okay, we'll make a straight line and here. Okay, and escape. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this. Okay, it is already. Go to dimension, define this dimension as 8 mm. Okay, and define this from center at 40 mm. Okay, so this profile should be inside this solid profile. Finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction, so it will showing you the cutting profile what we want to join. So we'll click on join and press OK. Okay, now here take fillet, take a fillet radius of 2 and select this bottom, rotate and select this, apply. Now take radius of 1, go to edge selection, select this and select this, press OK. Okay, now I want a pattern of this tooth, so go to circular pattern. We'll select here extrude 2, fillet 1 and fillet 2. Go to rotation axis and select this profile. Here we want a count of 20 and the filling angle will be 360 degree. Press OK. So this will make the outer profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Take circle command once again. From this center point, make one more circle of diameter 36, or you can take it as escape. Right click this, make it as 50 mm. Finish sketch, take extrude of 3 mm and this will be a joining profile. Press OK. Now we are going to make the cutting profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From the center point, now we are going to make circle of diameter 36 and here make one circle of diameter 10. Go to dimension, define the center to center distance as 35 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select the center and select the center. Now go to circular pattern, select this circle to pattern, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation. Here we are going to take a count of 6 and the angle will be 360 degree. Press OK. Now you can see the 6 patterns. Finish sketch. Here take extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut and from here we will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Now here we will give the appearance. From here we will take the galvanized profile. So here you can see galvanized. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a disk part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.